Gavana ma kaunti ma Siaya James Agnore owuok oko kendo seyo mokalo kit monj mane monj godo seneta ma kaunti ma Vihiga Geoffrey Osotsi e magawa moro e boma nindi mano ma Kisumu odiochieng' ma kawuono. Gavana orengo koroni to seyo obila kuom remo kao okang' moro amora ne kwetho nogo mano mar njore ma bende oweyo Osotsi koda hinyruoge ko ma opogore ka bende gie thuolo niendi odhi nyime koda yudo thieth buore Nairobi bang' kane osekawe kendo ne ochwale konindo koda kalapapla.
He was having coffee with a friend at Java House. He had just had a haircut, and suddenly these armed young men appeared and attacked him together with the friend he was having coffee with. They took his personal things which he had in the pocket, including mobile phones, and attacked his friend also, although the focus was on Senator Osotsi. He is very badly injured, very badly injured. When I got to the hospital, I could not recognize him. The police are being used in Kisumu to carry out these acts of gangsterism. This is making Kisumu a small Port-au-Prince, that capital of Haiti. We want to make Kisumu a smaller Haiti, where thugs and goons rule the day, rule the city. And it's happening in broad daylight, and the police know about it. The police are part of the network, because when they invade the airport, nothing happens to them. When they invaded Royal Swiss, nothing happened to them. And I want to tell Raymond Omolo, me, I don't like calling people's name. But now it has been concretized and known as a fact. There's a gentleman known as Boyo Koth from Seme, who is used in mobilizing thugs and attacking individuals who are known or characterized as not being politically correct. And this boy Akoth actually was at that building around Java House, and as soon as he saw Osotsi, he called the boys to come and attack Osotsi. We can't have it like this. Even in Moi's time, where we thought we had the worst, nothing happened like that. And Kisumu is a town for freedom. People have fought for freedom from this town. It's a holy city for fighters. Kisumu is like our home city. It's our Jerusalem, where people come, talk about freedom and fight for freedom. Now it's become a gangster town where people cannot feel unsafe. It's very bad. This is not how to make Ruto popular on the ground. It's the very opposite of what should happen. It is time that those who are concerned and have responsibility, including the Cabinet Secretary for Interior, he should quickly get into this issue and arrest the culprits. I believe Java House and Acacia have got CCTV all over. So it will be no excuse that these people cannot be found.